Hello, how's it going? Look, going to make this very simple, delicious pasta today of Gorgonzola cheese, cream and broccoli. Really quite simple and delicious. So, listen, I'm using Penne. I've got about 3 cups of cooked pasta. You can use any pasta you want. Half a cup of onions, about 3 cups of broccoli. You can see how I've cut that there. Single cream or runny cream, you can use thick if you want, 1 cup, and the same of Gorgonzola. I've got that crumbled. I've got some garlic paste there and some oregano, about a tablespoon of the paste. A little bit of oil in the pan. You can choose the oil you want. Let's drop in the onion and the garlic paste, or my garlic, on an above medium heat. Let's drop in the dried oregano, about a teaspoon, and let's go for just about 3 minutes. Beautiful stuff. Really simple, this one. In we put the broccoli, and you can see the size that I've cut that. Cut it smaller if you want. Some salt, black pepper to taste. Staying on this above medium heat, fairly vibrant. We're going to go for a couple more minutes. Beautiful stuff. We're nearly done. That 1 cup of cream, I'm using single runny cream. You could use thick cream if you want, it kind of works out the same. Little bit there of the water that I cooked the pasta in. Just kind of thins it out just a little bit. And then goes in the Gorgonzola. I've got a kind of crumbled cheese there. That's going to melt in there. Just give it like 2 minutes, stirring all the time now. Beautiful, fantastic, tasty sauce. Pasta time. In goes the pasta. Now my pasta's cold, so we're going to have to cook it in there. Like I say, I'm using Penne, as you can see, but any pasta works. Let's just work that in the pan. About another 3 minutes or so, getting the sauce in, on and around that pasta. Beautiful. Job done, nice and easy. Keep safe, keep well, see you soon. Lots of love. Now, if you like what you're seeing here, please do take time to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, or leave me a comment. It really does help the channel out a great deal. See you later.